Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nick and I'm really glad to see you here. Today we're gonna talk about Rewind AI. This is a new AI, and as you can see, Rewind is a personalized AI powered by everything you've seen, said or heard. Let's take a closer look at this AI and see what this service can provide to us. Rewind is your AI assistant that has all the context. Rewind is a personalized AI powered by everything you've seen, said or heard. Your colleagues will wonder how you do it all. But there is one drawback. Now this AI available only for Mac and iOS devices. You can enter your email address here and get Rewind, and now just click on download on the App Store. And unfortunately, because I use Windows, I can't install it on my device. But we can talk about how it works and how much this AI costs. So let's just scroll down a bit. How it works. So the first step is install Rewind. Just click on this button, get Rewind. After that, set it and forget it. Rewind compresses, transcribes, encrypts, and stores your data locally so only you have access. And ask your AI anything. Ask Rewind to summarize meetings, draft an email, and much more. So it's a special app installed on your device which will help you with many different tasks, from sending an email to answering your questions. Overcome your mind's limitation, automate not talking and get human level meeting summaries, avoid ever repeating lost work when a system inevitably crashes, and leverage AI to find details, draft emails, and summarize it all. And here's the example. Write an email to Sam Altman asking him to catch up. Hey Sam, I hope you are doing well, and so on. And at the very bottom, you can see the frequently asked questions field. There you can read more about this service. For example, how does Rewind compression work, how much CPU does Rewind consume. And now let's talk about pricing. There are two plans: Rewind free, access your data forever for $0 per month, and the second one is Rewind Pro, one simple plan that has it all, for $19. Or you can pay monthly for $29 per month. And also you can start a 30-day free trial if you want, if you're not ready. And just below you can find the comparing plans, Rewind Free and Rewind Pro. And in the free versions, many features are limited, unfortunately. So this is all information I wanted to tell you. Hope this video was helpful. Please put a like under this video and leave your comments if this video wasn't clear for you, and I'll try to answer it. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.